Hello friends, Tony here, welcome. In this video, I'm going to work with the OpenCode. I have installed Superpower. So if you go to GitHub Opera Superpowers, Superpowers is a complete software development workflow for your coding agents built on top of a set of composable skills and some initial instructions that make sure your agent uses them. And you can see 60k stars. Okay, now you can install in Cloud Code. If you want to make a video about superpowers on Cloud Code, you can leave a comment on this video. But in this video, I'm going to work with OpenCode. Yeah, to install, you can tell the OpenCode to open the OpenCode and say fetch and follow the instruction here, or you can go there and first you can run this. So we have quick install and manual installation. But quick install is going to work. So clone, open the OpenCode and pass this command. So clone the superpowers inside the OpenCode superpowers directory and then create a directory in that OpenCode. So inside the config, you have OpenCode if you have installed OpenCode, and create a plugins directory and then symlink the superpower.js into plugins Superpower.js and then symlink the skills to OpenCode skill superpowers and then restart the OpenCode. Now I have done that, so let me just zoom in this. I am in the head directory. I'm going to create a Laravel project. I'm going to name it Superpowers. And let's choose Livewire, or let's choose none here for the authentication. Pest AI assistant. I'm going to choose SQLite. Okay. And yeah, OpenCode AI agent. I'm going to run npm install and npm run build. Now let's see the superpowers. I'm going to clean here, and here I'm going to open the OpenCode. First, if I say skills, you can see now we have Pest testing because we are inside the Laravel project, and by default with Laravel we have a Pest testing skill we have executed now because we have installed the superpowers. Also executing plans, requesting code review using superpowers, sub-agent driven development, writing skills, dispatching parallel agents, brainstorming, using Git worksheets, and all of that. Now I'm going to, you must use this before any creative work. So I'm going to use this brainstorm, and I'm going to say design a task manager feature for Laravel 12, include migration, eloquent model validation, and routing. And I'm going to hit enter. Okay, so you can see now implementation invoke the writing plans skill. So invoke the writing plan skill. Implementation do not invoke any other skill. Your writing plans is the next step. And yeah, it's going to ask us user specific tasks. So tasks belong to user. Global tasks are shared across all users, and I'm going to choose here, the global task. Okay. Yeah, what fields should the task have? Select all you need. So title is going to have a title. It's going to have also let's leave it a description and status. And now let's go to confirm, hit enter. Question 3. So what operations do you need? List tasks. Okay, create a task, edit tasks, toggle complete, and delete the task. And confirm, hit enter. Okay, so list task, create, edit, toggle completion, Now we have question 4. Should this be a JSON API or traditional server-rendered pages? I'm going to say traditional server-rendered pages. And yes, I'm going to open a new tab here and open this project with the VS Code or any other code editor. And yeah, here we are. And now let's close this. Now let's open, task manager feature design. And I'm going to see option A is resource routes with controller, which is recommended. Use Laravel resource, yes. So option B, separate controller. I think option A is okay. Design section, database migration, and let me just database section, the table task, field ID, title description status. Okay, eloquent model, title description status, mass assignment, class status to enum, scope, validation, form, request, create task and update task, routing, get task, yes, views, index, create and edit. Does this design looks correct? Should I approach it with writing the design documents? Yes. Okay, so it's going to write the design docs to docs plans, and here we are. If I come here, we have docs and plans. It's going to write a document file here, and let me just open, and here we are. Task Manager, overview of global task manager feature for Laravel 12. Maybe I'm going to zoom it to fix this. Global task, field title, description status, operation, and yeah, we can see here routing, implementation, use Laravel's enum PHP type for the status validation. I'm using the writing plans skill to create the implementation plan. And now we have the implementation plan. Okay, so this is the design plan, this is implementation. Required sub-skills, implementation steps. First task is to create a task migration. Step 1, create the migration. PHP Artisan make migration, create task table, no interaction. Step 2, edit the migration, adding title, task, and enum. Step 3 is running the migration. Task 2 is going to create the task model. Create the model. Step 2, edit the model by adding this here, and also we have task status pending and okay. Task 3 is create form requests, create task and update task request. Okay. Step 3, create update request. Good. Then task 4, create a task controller. Create the controller and edit the controller. We have index, create, store, edit, update, and toggle. This is a new method there. Then we have task 5, add the routes, register routes like this. Okay. Then task 6, create blade views, and we have a full view here. And then we have task 7, run point and test. And then we have plan completed. Let's see here. Okay, what we have 2 execution plan options, sub-agent and parallel. I'm going to choose sub-agent and I'm going to hit enter. Now this is going to take some time. Okay, so skill sub-agent driven development. I'm going to pause the video and show you when it's finished. Okay, so implementation complete. All 7 tasks done. Migration, model, form request. Okay, let's open the project. So Superpowers tasks, and yeah, here it is. Right now we have no tasks found. We can go and create a new task. I'm going to use a fake filler here. We have pending and completed. Let's add pending. create a task. We have this one, okay. We can edit. Just add dot dot here. And we have dot dot. We can mark complete. Okay, and we can mark pending. So if I go here, we can see it's completed. And yeah, we can also delete this. Okay, that is very good. Let's open the VS Code. And we can see, so I can go here, models, task model. Here we have enum, which I don't like, but okay, no problem. We have scope pending, scope completed, and is completed. Controllers, task controller, and here's the task controller. We have a validation, so authorize the true. We have rules, we have messages. I think it's very good CRUD operation created with free OpenCode Minimax and 2.5 and also using the Superpowers. Now, if you like such a video, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, share with your friends. And if you have something, you can comment in this video and I'm going to do my best to create another one about what yours is going to say. All the best and see you in the next one.